What's going on, guys? As you all just now seen, those wheel lights and rock lights look absolutely crazy. So we're gonna go back outside and continue talking about them. It was very dark outside, and I just want to do a proper intro. So welcome to the Justin Locke Smith channel. If you're new here, get down there and click that subscribe button. If you're already subscribed, I really appreciate each and every one of y'all. We are closing in on that 10K milestone. I am so pumped. And we are also getting ready for rod runs. Finally got the shop cleaned out. We've got one more customer's truck to finish up. And then we are finally going to get to work on our own stuff. And by our own stuff, I still mean that we're going to be working on Scott's truck. But we're finally going to get to work on my truck. So right here, before we jump into this video, for any of y'all that are a subscriber here on the channel and you all love the 6.0, I've got some new headlights for the 6.0. So right there's a little sneak peek of them. And just wait for what we are going to do to those guys. They are going to be so awesome. We're going to take them apart, fully customize them, and paint match them. So if that's something that you all are going to be interested in, and even if you don't have a 6.0, you may can take something and learn something from the channel here to do your own headlights and taillights. I also have a bunch of videos color matching headlights and taillights as well on my YouTube channel, so don't forget to check that out. But anyway, guys, let's jump back outside and continue showing you John's truck and these awesome DB Automotive wheel lights and rock lights that we just now installed. They look so freaking awesome, guys. Let's go. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Justin Locke Smith channel. In today's video, it's just gonna be a quick one. I just now installed some Flow series wheel lights and RGBW color changing rock lights from dbautolight.com. That's www.dbautolight.com. And if you want to pick you up a set of rock lights or wheel lights, don't forget to use code HAWK10. You're going to save 10% off at checkout. I'm going to go ahead and show you all of the options and stuff. I'm going to screen record some stuff on my phone, which is how you control these. I'm not even sure if you can see me right now, but I had to film the video at nighttime so then you could see the lights, obviously. But yeah, so there are 2 rock lights in each fender wheels. And then there are Flow series wheel lights, which I don't know how well it's going to pick up on camera, but they actually go around and around in color changing sequences. There's over 100 different modes. I think there's like 200 modes exactly. And then you can do solid colors as well if you don't want them to color change. So right now they are set on mode 1. So they're just kind of rainbowing in a circle. You can do solid color flow, like to where it's green just in a circle, blue in a circle, all, you know, there's a million different colors that you can do. Same for the rock lights. They have a bunch of different modes and effects. Don't forget, if you all like these lights, the link will be down in the description box down below, and you can use code HAWK10 and save 10% on your entire order. These are the best and brightest rock lights and wheel lights on the market. So right now we have them just on the mode 1, which is Flow, and I don't know how well that's picking up on camera, but they're literally just flowing in a circle, just rainbow colors, all the same and in the same sequence and everything. There's a box that controls and tells all the lights what to do. And then we have the RGBW rock lights, and they're just set on like a 7-color like strobe or whatever. But you can control these separately, so we could do like red wheel lights with white rock lights, or you could do blue rock lights with yellow wheel lights, or however you want to set it up, you can do that. So another awesome feature on these is we can go ahead and open up the door and hit the turn signal. And whenever you hit the turn signal, the left side, if you hit the left side turn signal, of course, let me turn off these rock lights right quick so I can show you the wheel lights. 1 second. So they are orange and they're going in a circle on just this side. And then on the other side, they are still on the rainbow color effect. So let's say you had them on yellow. Whenever you hit the left turn signal, the left side would go orange in a circle and this side would stay yellow. So really cool. And like I said, I was going to screen record this. This does have over 200 different colors, different color modes, so you can control and do different modes. Every single one of these modes is something different and cool for you to find out and play with. I literally played with these for about 30 minutes and still haven't even seen half of the modes. So there is over 200 modes and cool things to do with these rock lights. So don't forget, guys, log on to www.dbautolight.com and use code HAWK10 and pick you up a set of these Flow wheel lights. They also have RGBW wheel lights that don't do the flow feature. They're just solid different colors. They also have RGBW rock lights. They also have the solid white rock lights, and then they have these, which I'm about to put on my truck. These are the absolute brightest rock lights on the market right now. They have 36 LED chips, and they are so bright. So stay tuned for that video as well, guys. Chips. Don't know if I mentioned that earlier in this video, but I wanted to go ahead and show you those. So before they still had the brightest rock lights on the market. And now they have upped their game even more, guys. Look at this. So these LED rock lights right here have 24 LED chips. So you've got 4 rows of 6. And then right here you have 36 LED chips. And look at the size difference, guys. These things are stupid bright. And they just now dropped these, so they are a hot item right now. So if you're wanting a set of these, while they're in stock, I would hop on over to dbautolight.com and I would pick you up a set of these because they are going to go quick. And that's going to be pretty much all for today's video, guys. Always remember, everybody starts out as a nobody, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.